Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add this background video to make your form come alive even more. So let's get started. So if you've come from the previous tutorial, you know that when we load our form, it has a 5-second delay. So in that 5 seconds, the video will play and then this card animation will begin for our login form. Okay, so I've already covered how to make this animation. So let me show you how to add that video now. So I already have the video here. Okay, so all we need to do is take out background image that we have. Okay, we're gonna do video and then source. Then we're gonna get the video and put that here since it's in my public videos folder. Okay, I'm just gonna copy the name. Okay, so it's gonna be /videos/ and then the name of the video. Okay, and I can go directly to this because it's in my public folder. Okay, so here we're gonna add class name, and then we're gonna make this a full width and height. Also add absolute top 0 and left 0. Okay, so this is going to be 120%. Yeah, okay, let's make this 110. Yeah, I like this. This is good. Okay, so I'm going to change this to screen. Okay, and hidden. Okay, there we go. And this is still a video, by the way. Okay, so now what we can do is, instead of controls, we're going to do autoplay. Okay, so what this does is when this video container ends up loading, it will autoplay the video for us. Okay, and let's refresh this first. We need to add muted as well. Refresh this. Yes, as you can see, the animation plays and then the form appears. Okay, so how cool is that? That a animation will play and then your form will appear. Okay, let's see that again. I should add a little more delay to this card, 0.5. Now let's see this. Yeah, that looks way better. Okay, so I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.